The United States under President Donald Trump carried out a dramatic military operation on Saturday that led to the capture of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro and his wife, Cilia Flores. The operation triggered explosions across Venezuela's capital, Caracas, sending shockwaves through the region. According to U.S. authorities, Maduro was taken into custody during the operation and later flown to New York along with his wife. The two are expected to face charges linked to drug trafficking. Washington has long labeled Maduro an illegitimate leader, and several U.S. allies and Republican leaders have praised President Trump's move as decisive action against a hostile regime. However, the operation has also sparked intense criticism. Legal experts and international observers argue that the military strike violates Venezuela's territorial sovereignty. Protests and diplomatic backlash followed almost immediately, with many questioning whether such an action is permissible under international law. This raises a crucial question. Is the United States legally allowed to enter another country and capture its sitting head of government? Under international law, the answer is largely no. Sitting heads of state are protected by sovereign immunity, which shields them from arrest by foreign powers. The United Nations weighed in on Saturday, warning that the U.S. action sets a dangerous global precedent, particularly at a time when the world is already grappling with multiple conflicts. The UN Charter, signed in 1945, explicitly prohibits the use of military force against the sovereignty of another nation. Article 2.4 of the Charter requires states to refrain from acts that threaten the territorial integrity or political independence of any country. The Trump administration has defended the operation, stating that it followed a request from the U.S. Department of Justice, which sought military assistance to apprehend Maduro. Still, critics argue that this justification does not override international legal norms. Experts warn that the capture of a sitting head of state could destabilize the global order. In an already volatile world, with tensions over Taiwan, the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, and the Israel-Palestine conflict, such actions could encourage powerful nations to use force against weaker ones under the guise of law enforcement. The implications of this move, many say, could be far-reaching and dangerous.